Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites, account, credits, and your allowed IP range. Once done, retrieve the proxy host, port, and protocol. You will use only this endpoint. Now configure a quick connectivity test with curl or wget, including your username, password in the URL, or set the authorization header. If the request returns the expected content, you're connected. Make sure to save the credentials securely and document the exact endpoint and port for the next configuration step. You now configure routing and authentication for the chosen client. First, set the system or application proxy to the Smart Proxy host and port and apply the saved credentials. Once authenticated, force DNS resolution through the proxy to prevent local leaks. This ensures the remote endpoint sees the proxy IP. If you need full TCP support, switch to SOCKS 5 and confirm your client supports it. Finally, run a verify check against an external IP service to confirm traffic flows through the proxy. You finish by locking down configuration and verifying stability. Save credentials in environment variables or an encrypted config file, then run typical workloads to observe behavior. Monitor usage metrics and rotate endpoints or credentials proactively if you encounter bans or rate limits. If something breaks, capture request logs and reproduce the call with curl from the same host to isolate client versus network issues. Make sure firewall or NAT rules allow outbound connections on the proxy port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.